Now we get to go through all my samplers, and I've got a couple started. So there's a couple whips, but most of them are kits, and a lot of them I was part of a kit, a club, so I'd get them every month or every other month, and I just never did much. I only think finished one of them at one point. But the first sampler would be the pandemic one. I did start it, doing it all on pink with pink silk floss. I only got like 2 pages done out of what, 12, 13, 20? I don't know, ton. It's gonna be huge when it's done. It's not hard to do, and I don't know why I don't just pick it up when I just want to stitch something easy, but kind of forget about it because it's, forget about it. And then let's see. I like this one. It's from Chessie and Me. It's Bertha May Brown sampler. Let me get it out of the bag. Might be easier to see. Oh. One of those old ones where it's a picture. It's long and narrow. Should be. Doesn't look like it'd be too hard to do, but it's really cute. I think kind of springy with the pink and reds. Of course, kitted with all the threads and fabric. Then there's the Scarlet House Little Deeds sampler. It says, little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our earth and Eden like the heaven above. It's on 36 count tin roof. Fox and Rabbit Designs. It's called Pomegranate Sampler. I just love the alphabet on this one. And I'm trying this, I don't know, it's kind of some kind of hand-dyed CGT hand-dyed silks. But I bought the kit from Fox and Rabbit. Let's see, Alan Carr, 1843 from Needlework Press. Also a kit from the country, I think it's Country House Needleworks. I don't know, one of those shops from the Midwest somewhere. This is Threads of History Club, whatever that is from. So Lydia Hogan. It's kind of sparse, but I kind of like it. It's another one of those monthly kit things. But should be pretty easy, except for counting all over. And it is 36 count. I think I asked for 36 count. Yeah, 36 count. This is Jane Charlotte Wynn, also from the Threads of History Club. It's from the Scarlet House. Another club one that Sunday Morning Schoolgirl Club, antique sampler. It's called Sunday Morning. It says, the Sunday bells are knolling slow, the summer morn hours fair, while father, mother, children go and seek the house of prayer. And then also has a small one. It says Sunday afternoon stitching, which I think is kind of cute. And then another one of those clubs, Mary Griffin, 1824. Not sure I like this one enough to do it. I may just break it apart and get rid of it. It's pretty blah. And I think a lot of those letters are over one, which is like, Threads of History Sampler Kit, Jane Williams by the Scarlet House. It's got a beautiful brick house. I think someone we just watched, I watched The Thing, is working on this one. And then here's Mary Hill, 1854, another one of those Threads of History Club. It's 36 count. It's I have a lot of samplers. I belong to that club. I stopped it after a year and a half. The Scarlet House, A Perfect World. For some reason, I just love this, but I dread all that as full coverage black and grass right there. But I love it. I love the sentiment. And I have it on 36 count. So almost done. Here's a beautiful one. It's the Rose Wreath Sampler. Oh, it's just gorgeous, and the colors just beautiful. It's gonna be a lot of work. But I got the fabric and the kit and the thread and everything, so it's ready to go. Here's a pretty one. It's light. It's really hard to see in the picture what it is. I'm hoping the final one won't be so light, but it's Jardins Italiens. It's by Reflet de Soie. All with silks. I don't know what kind of silks they are. Oh, Sol del Jar. Came as a kit, so, but it's beautiful. And last but not least, no, sorry, not last. Sorry, there's more. This is Dolly Fowles 4 Lions Sampler. Not sure, I think that was also one of those club kits. I really like this one. I like the reds and pinks in it. It's from the Schoolgirl Club. It's called Margaret Croft. It says, the loss of a father is much, but the loss of a mother is more. But the loss of something is such a loss as no one can restore. The loss of, I gotta figure out what it says. Oh, the loss of Christ is such a loss as no one can restore. I like that. And then the last one is a kit I bought on vacation with, we were at one of the presidential or a library or something, a museum after watching something, and this was there. The Frances Burwell Sampler. It's from, I got it in Virginia. So it's a Virginia or true Virginia sampler. And that's it for my samplers. That's all I have kitted. I've got tons of patterns. We know that. So we're all in that boat. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.